Bali service. Bali service. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Mildred, your Bali service for today. May I come in?
Yes, you may.
And you pick up your laundry. May I borrow your laundry form, ma'am? Well, ma'am, based on your form, your Miss Anna, and in case here that you are, your room is 301, yes, ma'am. By the way, ma'am, where is your laundry, ma'am?
Take it to the
Can I check your laundry? Well, ma'am, based on your laundry, ma'am, there is no damage. It's total of 4 pieces, ma'am. You have 2 jackets and 2 pillow case and 1 blouse, ma'am. Okay? So you, in all, ma'am, it is 4 pieces. Is that correct, ma'am? Ma'am, based on your laundry form sheet, ma'am, you check this. By the way, ma'am, our express service, it will do it in 6 hours, ma'am. And if it's additional, we have additional here for 50%. Yes, ma'am. And for your laundry total is about 1,000 pesos and additional 500 for the charges of 50%. So for a total of 1,500, ma'am. May I ask what mode of payment you prefer?
Please start to my account.
So we invite it to your account. So can you say have a signature here, ma'am? Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. We'll receive it. We'll deliver it later for after 6 hours, ma'am. See you, ma'am. Thank you. Good day and after 6 hours. Bali service. Bali service. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm here to deliver your laundry, ma'am. Can I come in? By the way, ma'am, where can I put your laundry?
Design mo ka.
So, ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am. So, if you need anything else, ma'am, may I help you? Just dial 2 for Bali service and update you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Have a good day.